Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fingerprinted peacock. So I am going to use a fingerprinting stamp, but if not you can use paint also. So let's get started. So the first color I'm going to use is blue, and so I'm using my point finger. That's it. So have something to wipe your hands with ready so you can change colors in between. So next I'm just drawing some lines. Next I'm going to draw a tree. Now this is a bunch of Q-tips that I taped together, and then I'm going to use my green color and make a tree. Some bushes. Lastly, I'm using to make my silver paint to make some clouds. Not sure if it shows that much, but I'm gonna try it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you all liked this video. You try it at home and let me know how it went. And please don't forget to like, share, and follow us. Bye bye for now.